I don't remember. I don't remember any of the names.
Aha! And how did Snow treat you?
Very well.
Really? Did he feed you every day, 3 meals a day?
More than that.
But did he take you to church?
No.
Well.
Maybe he was supposed to.
We had Sty at Starbucks Church.
Oh, really? Bill, you cannot speak Russian.
I don't speak Russian, no.
You know, I heard that she told me a boy called her yesterday. She didn't have a phone. She got called.
Yeah.
Yeah, his name was Jeff.
That was Jeff. I thought so funny. I was like, hello, is Danny there? So I was like, who?
So,
Danny, is Danny there? There's nobody under that name on this phone. And I'm like, whoa, that doesn't sound like maybe Daniela? May I ask who's calling? I was like, whoa, Jeff. Danielle? Do you know any Jeff?
if I was ready, I would have given her the phone, but...
Yeah, but I've never seen you like that before.
Well, I thought it was really somebody she had met. But then I said, well, that's not right, because it's with number withheld. So there's only, I narrowed it down to one person.
I was like, man, who's calling? And seriously, I was like, and the voice kind of